Hello my friends, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Grace in My Space. Today we're going to do something a little different. Today we're going to decorate for fall by undecorating. I have not been feeling fall decor this year. I don't know what it is, but I just can't bring myself to pile pumpkins everywhere. All of the traditional fall decor just feels cluttered to me this year. Let's just call it a season of life. Fall is extremely busy for us with school and sports and all of the things that most people deal with. And so this year, we're gonna do autumn undecorated. And I am going to share a few really easy tips for how to feel like you have decorated for fall without actually bringing out the pumpkins. Okay, maybe one pumpkin's okay. Isn't this one pretty? Let's start in the entryway and our main living space. All I've done in this room is add in fall hues, and I have previously talked about simple ways that you can bring in those fall colors: muted browns, mustards, plum, deep greens, dark grays, any kind of orange or red hues. Those all really scream fall. And it's a very simple way to have a feeling of autumn inside your home by swapping in some of those more overtly fall colors into blankets and pillows, perhaps even an area rug if you want to go really big and swap out a larger piece. And then just let the rest of your decor remain the same as it is year-round. One thing I'm excited to offer are a few different free downloads for you guys, including this trio of modern, very whimsical art. Head to the description and you can download these for free. Also include a blog post sharing how I've framed them and all of the sources in my living room if you are looking for a specific piece. I did some very simple additions of a sedum and a stone pumpkin in the cabinet, and that's it. One really simple thing that I do for the seasons is swap out art. So I have these free printables, these two images for you in the description below. Make sure and get your free download, and you can swap out art frequently, very easily with free downloads. I liked the apples for fall. I liked the brown hues that both of these images have. Pop them into a set of antique frames that I recently acquired from a local antique store and call it good. This fireplace nook has been kind of a misfit spot for me. It's just been things that I've thrown up there to get out of the way when I'm decorating the table or the buffet, and it's felt like an afterthought for 4 years. So I've gathered things that I want to use in this space, but what I need to do is actually make this functional. So stay tuned for a future DIY with that nook. Now over here in the kitchen, I have done literally nothing. I know that I'm supposed to be here to give you inspiring ideas, but I just gotta say that there is so much freedom in leaving your kitchen very simplified for the seasons. Christmas, I usually will add Christmas decor because I just love Christmas. It's my favorite season to decorate for, even though it's only a holiday, it's not even a season. And so stay tuned for that because there will be Christmas ideas. But for now, for fall, what is simpler than a bowl of pears sitting on your island they're fall, right? Like pears become ripe and they're ready for harvest in the fall, but they're also for eating. Win-win. Now, I don't think I've ever had a more loved and fought for item from a video as this cutie little teapot. I shared this with you in my last video on our flea market and antiquing adventures this summer, wondering if I should keep it this color or paint it. Y'all came out swinging. It's gonna stay green, simmer. And then back here on my shelving where I normally do my decorating for the kitchen, I have a very simple brass pear. That's about it. Actually, no, I lied. Brass pear, gold figs. These are really cute. I think that these are gonna be so cute for the entire fall season, for Christmas and for winter, just to add a little bit of warmth and color. And they're figs, and there's 5 of them, and they're super cute. And that is my kitchen undecorated for fall. Now this look is very undecorated for fall. There's nothing really overtly fall. We have a little bit of fall stems. That's basically the most overt option. And then I added in just a few orange or brown based pottery pieces. And of course, the amber glass candle, which is burning and creates kind of a cozy atmosphere. So I am curious, have you been feeling that same pull towards simplicity and undecorating for a season this year? Or are you ready to go all out with the pumpkins, bring in the hay bales, have the bonfires, and do all the things? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope that you got a few tips for how you can get the autumn look without going all out on your autumn decor. Make sure and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time.